Hi guys, I'd say this is the day where we are going on the helicopter ride. Here is what I'm just working on. This ambulance. Guys, this is just a perfect ambulance I can think of buying. It was from Walmart. Even I can just have this for Easter egg for like crash recreation sorts. And yeah, that's all I know. Let me show you the interior. Okay, someone is for real injured in there. And there's the pilot. There's the captain inside the truck. You can say hi to him as he's just sick for now. So let's go. We are here. And guys, let's go on the helicopter. It's real flight! Oh God. Oh, this is amazing. Another one! Here it comes! It's so loud! Oh my God! Wow! This is the room. Wow, there's a helicopter. Okay, let's go! This is a helicopter close-up. Here's an airplane. Delta Airlines. There it goes. Hello, everyone. And that is a perfect helicopter. Wow. Look at that helicopter flutter. And the helicopter's about to take off. Woo! Jeez. It's so windy. It's hovering. Oh my God, it's so windy. That's so cool. Another helicopter's taking off. I'm okay.